Did you know that the Garmin Fenix 8 boasts an astonishing battery life of up to 14 days on smartwatch mode? Yeah, you heard that right. This new feature alone has gotten a lot of people buzzing, but is it really worth all the hype surrounding it? Let's find out. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of the Garmin Fenix 8. This bad boy has made quite the name for itself in the smartwatch market, and there's a ton of excitement since its release. So, is it just another overpriced gadget, or does it truly deliver? Stick around as we break it down. Now, let's talk about some common concerns that potential buyers have. First off, there's the big question. Does the Fenix 8's price justify its features? It's not exactly a budget-friendly option, and many folks are wondering if they're really getting their money's worth. Plus, with so many competitors out there, how does it stack up? There are plenty of alternatives that claim to offer similar functionalities at a lower cost. So, should you splurge on this model, or is it better to look elsewhere? It's a valid concern, and we'll dig deeper into whether those features really deliver the value they promise. Alright, let's explore what makes the Garmin Fenix 8 tick. First off, we've got GPS accuracy, which is crucial for outdoor adventurers. The Fenix 8 really shines here, providing location tracking that's impressively precise. Next, let's talk fitness tracking capabilities. This watch comes packed with metrics for running, cycling, swimming, and even skiing. Whether you're hitting the trails or the gym, this watch has features that cater to every fitness enthusiast's needs. Oh, and let's not forget the smart functionalities. Notifications, music control, and even contactless payments. Compared to previous models, the Fenix 8 has upped the ante with improved battery life and a sleeker design, making it a solid upgrade. But how does it compare to its rivals? Well, while some competitors may offer similar features, the Fenix 8's integration and end-user experience are hard to beat. Now, let me share my personal experience with the Garmin Fenix 8. I've been using it for a couple of weeks, and I've got to say, the GPS accuracy blew me away. I went for a hike in a remote area, and the navigation was spot on. But here's the kicker. The sleep tracking feature has been a game changer for me. I didn't expect it to provide such detailed insights into my sleep patterns. It's helped me adjust my routine for better rest, which is something I didn't realize I needed. That's one feature that truly makes the investment feel worthwhile. To wrap things up, the Garmin Fenix 8 certainly has its pros and cons. On the upside, it offers exceptional GPS accuracy, extensive fitness tracking, and some nifty smart features. However, the price tag might be a deal breaker for some. So, does it live up to the hype? If you're serious about fitness and love tech, it's definitely a solid choice. But if you're just looking for basic smartwatch functions, you might want to consider other options. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the Garmin Fenix 8? Is it something you consider buying, or do you have your eye on a different model? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're here, don't forget to check out my other reviews for more insights on fitness tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.